You've spent your life assuming the world is solid, measurable, external, but what if that model is upside down? Dr. Bernardo Kastrup, a physicist, argues that everything physical is just what mind looks like. From the inside, matter is not a substance, but a mental impression. And if that's true, your whole understanding of reality, identity, even free will shifts. He begins with dissociation, just like in DID. We believe we are separate minds, but what if we're fragments of one universal mind? Our brains then serve as a localized interface like dashboards in a plane. What we call material reality tables, colors, textures are just readout, not the sky itself. Without a pilot, without awareness, there's no dashboard. Without consciousness, there's no world. This isn't poetic metaphor, it's analytic idealism. Kastrup's 2019 paper outlines that physical objects don't produce consciousness. Consciousness underlies everything. Matter is the appearance of mental states. The brain isn't a cause of the mind, it's what that mind looks like seen from inside. Neuroscience supports it. Donald Hoffman's work shows evolution didn't shape you to see truth, it shaped you to see survival useful icons, not reality. What you perceive is a simplified interface. The world you know is a dashboard display designed for survival, not accuracy. Through this lens, strange phenomenopathy, premonitions, mystical unity don't vanish into the fringe. They become expected when boundaries thin. Kastrup argues consciousness is universal. Separations are illusory and under intense emotion or meditation. Those separations crack in, you feel the ripple of the whole. Time itself becomes part of this illusion. Physics may see it as emergent. Neuroscience sees it as internal markers. It's not a cosmic floats, it's a structure your mind uses to file experiences. So how do you live this day knowing the world is mental? Start with observation. Notice that solidity, weight, color, even self, are experience. Touch a glass, not atoms, but cold sensation and awareness. See the sky, not molecules, but visual content in consciousness. Release fear. The world didn't stop when you stopped perceiving it. Kastrup clarifies, idealism doesn't deny external reality, it redefines it within consciousness. Objectivity remains, facts remain, our understanding changes. This means divinity isn't out there, but emergent in this field of universal mind. Consciousness isn't a byproduct, it's the only substance. God is not a being, but being itself. You and everything you know are expressions of one underlying awareness. What about free will? Kastrup argues you choose but not from nothing. Your choice arises from who you are, layers of memory, identity, structure. You are scripted by consciousness, but also scripted. It's less fantasy, more discovery of self. You might resist this. Science, materialism, the comfort of solidity, they're deeply wired. But if you pause, sit quietly, and watch thoughts arise, who is observing? That silent witness might be the universal mind glimpsing itself through you. This isn't spiritual fluff, it's a philosophical correction rooted in science and psychology. It invites you to stop mistaking the map for the territory, the dashboard for the sky. Once you glimpse that everything is mind, your perceptions, your fears, your love, you step into presence. A presence where every perception becomes sacred, every moment your mirror. And you realize, you're not inside reality. If that insight shook something within you, join us. Subscribe to SupraMind. Here we unravel consciousness, psychology, science, philosophy, and the awakening inside each moment. Because the deepest journey isn't outward. It's home to the mind that lives your life.